Next chapter, integers. Now, integers are all whole numbers, including 0. Integers also include all whole negative numbers. Decimal numbers and fractions are not integers. All integral natural numbers can be represented on a number line like this one. From 0 moving towards the right is the positive side, and leftwards is the negative side. We use number lines to add and subtract integers, and to do that, we must always start from 0. For example, consider 5 minus 7. In integers, the operation sign in front of a number defines that number. When no sign is written, it is a plus. So in this operation, we have plus 5 and minus 7. To work this out, starting from 0, we move 5 steps towards the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we move 7 steps towards the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are at the number negative 2. And so 5 minus 7 is equal to negative 2. How about minus 7 plus 5? From 0, we move 7 steps leftwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we move 5 steps towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we land at negative 2 again. And so minus 7 plus 5 is equal to minus 2. Let's try minus 5 plus 9. From 0, we move 5 steps leftwards. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 9 steps towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The answer is plus 4, but we don't write the positive sign. What if we had 5 minus plus 4? Remember, we said a plus in front of a number is often silent. So this can be written as 5 minus 4. So from 0, we move 5 steps towards the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4 steps towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Generally, when a positive and a negative sign follow each other, irrespective of the order, they can be replaced with a single negative sign. And so 8 minus plus 4 is equal to 8 minus 4. 8 plus minus 4 can be written as 8 minus 4. Even if there was a bracket, 8 plus into bracket minus 4, we shall still have 8 minus 4. And so minus 3 plus minus 4 is the same as minus 3 plus minus 4. And this can be simplified to minus 3 minus 4. So from 0, 3 steps towards the left. 1, 2, and 3. And then another 4 steps towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the answer is minus 7. Secondly, if 2 negative signs follow each other, they can be replaced with a single positive sign. So minus 7 minus minus 3, we have 2 negative signs following each other. In some cases, this may be written with a bracket as minus 7 minus into bracket minus 3. It is the same thing. 2 negatives following each other. we replace them with a single positive sign, and so we shall have minus 7 plus 3. On the number line, 7 steps towards the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 3 steps towards the right. 1, 2, and 3. And so we have minus 4. Multiplying integers. Integers are multiplied just like all the other natural numbers, but with 2 important rules. 1. When 2 negative numbers are multiplied, the answer is a positive. And so minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. Minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12. Secondly, when a negative and a positive number are multiplied, the answer is a negative. So minus 2 times 2 is minus 4, and 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Division. Again, integers are divided just like natural numbers with 2 rules. 1. When 2 negative numbers are divided with each other, the answer is a positive. Minus 20 divided by minus 4 is equal to plus 5. Minus 100 over minus 4 is equal to plus 25. Secondly, if a negative number is divided by a positive one, or a positive number divided by a negative one, the answer is a negative. So minus 20 divided by 4 is minus 5. 100 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 25. Look at combined operations. When a question involves more than one operations, we work with the BODMAS order. For example, 8 plus 20 divided by 5. We start with division. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then we go to addition. 8 plus 4 will give us 12. How about 8 plus 20 divided by minus 5? Again, we start with division. 20 divided by minus 5 is minus 4. And so we have 8 plus minus 4. And that becomes 8 minus 4, giving us 4. (40) divided by into bracket 3 plus 7 plus 5 times 4 minus 3. Everything over 3 minus 4 plus 8. We start with the numerator. In the numerator, we start with the brackets. 3 plus 7 will give us 10. And then we move to division. 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. And then multiplication. 5 times 4 is 20. And now addition. 4 plus 20 is 24. And finally subtraction. 24 minus 3 is 21. We go to the denominator. We start with addition. Now, many people will think of 4 plus 8. But that is wrong. We said that the sign in front of a number defines it. And so we have minus 4 plus 8. And that gives us plus 4. And so 3 plus 4 will give us 7. So 21 over 7 is 3.
I think one of the problems with math is if you aren't strong in it, you end up with weak spots in the foundation. And so if you want to build on that, if you want to go in and major in it or to do honors in it, you really do need a solid foundation. And so if you don't have it, if you've had a bad experience with math, you tend to sort of slough it off, and that's a serious mistake, I think. I believe with the right resources and help, most people can learn most of the math that they need to learn. But in almost any class that you go into, you need to make sure that you're at the starting point. People come in with different backgrounds, different preparations, and so you're not all on the first day at exactly the same place. And so you can go on and learn math. You may need tutorials, you may need tutors, etc., to get your foundation solid so that you can build the next course on it. But math is not so complicated that most people can't learn high school math and certainly the introductory courses in university.